Right now, thousands of people are making $5,000 to $20,000 per month using AI tools most people still don't know exist. And the crazy part? Many of them started less than a year ago. In this video, I'll show you 10 AI tools that are creating the biggest income opportunities going into 2026. But tool number 7 is the one almost nobody is talking about yet, and it might be the biggest opportunity on this entire list. Welcome back to NextGen Entrepreneurs. And if you are new here, we help ambitious 18 to 35-year-olds build real income streams using AI and technology. Subscribe right now if that sounds like you. Today we are covering 10 specific AI tools with real prices, real use cases, and real income ranges. We're talking about tools for content creation, automation, freelancing, digital products, and client services. The goal is simple. You leave this video with a clear picture of where the money is moving in 2026 and exactly how to position yourself to capture it. Let's get into it. Here's what's actually happening right now, and I mean right now, in the economy. A 2024 Upwork report found that demand for AI-related freelance skills grew 220% year-over-year. 220%. That is not a typo. Meanwhile, the number of people who actually know how to use these tools effectively? Still tiny compared to the demand. That gap right there, that is where the money is. Think about it like this. When smartphones first came out, the people who learned app development early? They cleaned up. The people who waited 5 years? They were competing with 10,000 other developers for the same jobs. AI is in that exact same window right now. Except the tools are cheaper, the barrier to entry is lower, and the demand is exploding. Businesses, small ones, medium ones, and giant corporations, they all need help implementing AI. They don't have time to figure it out themselves. They will literally pay you to do it for them. Some freelancers on Fiverr and Upwork offering AI automation services are charging $500 to $2,500 per project. Some consultants are packaging AI tool setups for local businesses and charging $1,500 to $5,000 per client. And the best part? These are not programmers. These are regular people who learned the tools, packaged a service, and started selling. Here's the thing, you don't need to be a developer. You don't need a computer science degree. You need to understand which tools solve which problems, and how to position that as a service. That's what the next 10 minutes are all about. Stick around because section 3 is where I cover the tool that some creators are using to generate up to $5,000 a month almost entirely on autopilot. You won't want to miss that one. Alright, let's get into the list. Starting with the foundation tools, these are the ones that will either save you time, make you money directly, or help you build a service people will pay for. Tool number 1, ChatGPT Plus with GPT-4o $20 per month. I know you've heard of ChatGPT. But here's what most people get wrong. They use it like a search engine. That's not how you make money with it. The people earning with ChatGPT are using it to run service businesses. Copywriting services. Email marketing packages. Blog content for local businesses. Some freelancers on Upwork are charging $300 to $800 per month to manage email newsletters for small businesses, and they're using ChatGPT to write every single one. Total time per client? Maybe 3 hours a month. At $20 a month for the tool, the ROI is absurd. Tool number 2, Midjourney, $10 to $60 per month. Tool number 2 might be the easiest $1,000 a month side hustle on this entire list. Midjourney is an AI image generator. And before you say, everyone knows about this, let me tell you what most people are not doing with it. Print on demand. Etsy shops selling AI-generated digital art, wall prints, and planners. Some sellers on Etsy are generating $2,000 to $8,000 a month. Selling AI-generated digital downloads. The product costs $0 to create. The Midjourney subscription starts at $10 a month. You do the math. The other use case? Social media content packages. Small businesses will pay $300 to $600 a month for branded AI image content. You create 20 to 30 images a month. You keep 90% margin. Tool number 3, ElevenLabs, free tier to $99 per month. ElevenLabs is an AI voice generation platform. And this one is opening up a whole category of income that barely existed 2 years ago. Faceless YouTube channels. Audiobook narration. Corporate voiceover for training videos. Some faceless YouTube creators using ElevenLabs for narration are pulling in $1,500 to $6,000 a month through ad revenue and sponsorships, without ever showing their face or recording their own voice. On the freelance side, voiceover work for explainer videos and ads on platforms like Voices.com is still paying $200 to $800 per project. With ElevenLabs, your turnaround time drops to under an hour. Tool number 4, Descript, $24 per month. Descript is a video and podcast editing tool powered by AI. You edit video by editing text. You can remove filler words automatically. You can clone your own voice to fix mistakes without re-recording. Here's the service opportunity. Video editing is one of the most in-demand freelance skills right now. The problem? Most people don't want to spend 50 hours learning Premiere Pro. With Descript, someone brand new can edit professional quality videos within a week of learning. Video editors using AI-assisted tools like Descript can charge $500 to $2,000 per video for YouTube channels, podcast video versions, or course content. Some editors working with 3 to 5 ongoing clients are making $4,000 to $10,000 a month. Tool number 5, Make, formerly Integromat, free to $29 per month. Now this is where it gets interesting. Make is an automation platform that connects your apps and creates workflows without writing a single line of code. Here's the play. Businesses hate repetitive tasks. Sending follow-up emails. Posting to social media. Logging leads into spreadsheets. You can automate all of that using Make and charge businesses $500 to $2,000 to set it up, plus $200 to $500 per month for maintenance. Some automation consultants are managing 10 to 15 small business clients and earning $3,000 to $7,000 a month in recurring revenue. Recurring. Every single month. From work they set up once. You'll want to see tools 6 through 8 coming up next, especially number 7. It is the one nobody in the mainstream AI space is talking about right now. And it might be the biggest opportunity on this list. Okay. This is the section I promised you. The tools that are flying completely under the radar. The ones where the opportunity hasn't been discovered by the masses yet. Tool number 6, Suno AI, free to $16 per month. Suno AI generates original music from a text prompt. Full songs. With vocals. In under 60 seconds. Here's the opportunity most people haven't figured out yet. Royalty-free background music for content creators is a massive market. YouTubers, podcasters, and businesses all need it. Suno's paid tier gives you commercial rights to the music you generate. Some creators are building libraries of AI-generated music tracks and selling them on platforms like Pond5 or Audio Jungle, where individual tracks sell for $10 to $80 each. Others are licensing custom music for ads and branded content at $200 to $1,000 per track. At $16 a month, you can generate hundreds of tracks. This is one of the most underrated income streams going into 2026. Tool number 7, Synthesia, $29 to $89 per month. This is the one I told you about at the top. Synthesia creates AI avatar videos. You type a script. An AI presenter delivers it on screen, in your branding, in any language, without a camera or studio. Now here's where the real money is hiding. Corporate training content. HR departments at midsize and large companies need onboarding videos, compliance training, process documentation, and they are paying a lot for them. We're talking $2,000 to $8,000 per video project. Freelancers who have positioned themselves as AI video production specialists are landing corporate contracts, and some are earning up to $15,000 to $20,000 a month serving just 3 to 5 business clients. You're not competing with Hollywood studios. You're competing with overpriced video agencies that take 6 weeks and charge $20,000 for something you can deliver in 3 days for a fraction of the cost. The pitch is simple: faster, cheaper, same quality. Businesses love that pitch. Tool number 8, Perplexity AI Pro, $20 per month. Perplexity is an AI-powered research tool. It searches the internet in real time and gives you cited, accurate answers, unlike standard ChatGPT, which has a knowledge cutoff. The income play here is research as a service. Lawyers, consultants, real estate investors, and business owners all need research done fast, accurate, well organized. Some people are charging $500 to $2,000 for competitive analysis reports, market research summaries, and investment research documents, using Perplexity to do 80% of the heavy lifting in a fraction of the time. Combined with ChatGPT for writing and formatting, you have a research and content production machine that costs under $50 a month to run. Tool number 9, Kling AI, free to $66 per month. Kling AI is a text-to-video generation platform. You write a prompt. You get a short video clip back, cinematic quality, realistic motion. This is brand new territory. And here's why you should care right now. Video content demand is at an all-time high. Social media managers, ad agencies, and content teams need short video clips constantly. Freelancers offering AI video content packages, 10 to 20 short clips per month, are starting to charge $800 to $3,000 per month per client. This market is in its infancy. The people who build skills here now will be the experts when demand explodes in 2026. Tool number 10, Go High Level Plus AI features, $97 to $297 per month. Okay. Final tool. And this one is for the people who want to build a real business, not just a side hustle. Go High Level is a CRM and marketing platform built for agencies. It has AI-powered features for automations, chatbots, email sequences, and SMS marketing. And here's the model that's making people serious money. It's called an SaaS agency. You pay $297 a month for the white label version. You resell it to small businesses under your brand at $297 to $497 per month per client. You get 10 clients? That's $3,000 to $5,000 a month in recurring revenue from one platform that you're reselling. There are documented Go High Level resellers generating $10,000 to $30,000 a month in monthly recurring revenue serving local businesses, dentists, gyms, real estate agents, restaurants, all businesses that need marketing automation but have no idea how to set it up. You set it up using the built-in AI tools. You charge a monthly fee. They stay because switching costs are high. It's one of the stickiest business models in the entire digital space right now. Before I wrap up, I want to give you the 24-hour action plan. Because knowing these tools means nothing if you don't take action today. That's next. Alright. I'm not going to leave you with just a list. Here is exactly what to do in the next 24 hours. Step 1. Pick one tool from this list. Just one. Don't try to learn all 10 at once. That's how you end up paralyzed and doing nothing. Pick the one that matches a skill you already have or a service that excites you. If you like writing, start with ChatGPT+. If you like video, start with Descript or Synthesia. If you want recurring revenue, look at Make or Go High Level. Step 2. Sign up for the free trial or lowest tier. Most of these tools have free tiers. Zero excuse to not start today. ChatGPT has a free version. Make has a free plan. Perplexity has a free version. Start there. Step 3. Spend 2 hours in the tool tomorrow. Not watching tutorials. Actually using it. Give it a real task. See what it can do. Your confidence goes from 0 to 60 fast once you're hands-on. Step 4. Find one potential client or customer this week. Not 10. Just one. Post in a Facebook group. Message a local business. List a service on Fiverr. One offer. One shot. Start the feedback loop. Here's the summary. The 10 tools, ChatGPT+, Midjourney, ElevenLabs, Descript, Make, Suno AI, Synthesia, Perplexity, Kling AI, and Go High Level, are not equally right for every person. But every single one of them represents a real income opportunity heading into 2026. The window is open right now. But it will not stay open forever. The people who move in 2025 will be the authorities in 2026. The people who wait? They'll be watching videos like this asking, why didn't I start earlier? You already watched this far. That tells me you're serious. Now go be serious with your action too. Here's my question for you, and I read every single comment. Which of these 10 tools are you most excited to try first? Drop it below. I genuinely want to know where you're starting. If this video gave you even one idea that could change your financial situation, hit that subscribe button right now and ring the bell. We drop new AI money moves every single week. On NextGen Entrepreneurs. And next week? I'm breaking down exactly how to land your first paying client using AI tools even if you have zero experience and zero portfolio. That one is going to be fire. Subscribe to NextGen Entrepreneurs for more AI money moves. Drop your biggest question in the comments below. Total estimated runtime, 10 to 12 minutes at natural speaking pace. Word count, 850 word script version. Final, NextGen Entrepreneurs, 2025 production.